I want y'all to know that them likes do not even matter. It's the views, and we want to build the views. Okay, that's what we're here for. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing, thank you for showing me love, thank you for helping me grow my channel, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be who I am today. Like, I am getting just excited thinking about it, because if you go back to my videos, I know I always say this, you will notice that I was not like this at all. But anyway, let's dive into this hot topic that I want to talk about today, that's floating around these YouTube streets about views and likes. I want y'all to know that them likes do not even matter. It's the views, and we want to build the views. Okay, that's what we're here for. So if you're stressing yourself out about them likes over them views, hunty, I think you need to change your perspective. So if you want to know more about this, dive into this video and let me tell you why the views matter more than the likes. Let's go. Let's start with the big question. Why don't likes matter as much anymore? Well, the short answer is that YouTube algorithm has shifted its focus. Back in the days, y'all remember, like, likes were the key indicator. We always wanted likes on our videos. It was like, if we ain't get no likes, we wanted to delete the video, and I was one of them. But now, YouTube's main goal is to keep viewers on the platform for as long as possible. And guess what? Views and watch time are better at doing that than a simple like. We don't need a like, we need them damn views, okay? So let's think about it. A viewer might click the like button after watching just for a few seconds, right? But someone who sticks around for the entire video is giving YouTube way more valuable data, correct? That's why the algorithm prioritizes views and watch time over likes. It's all about engagement and shows real-time interest, not just a quick tap on the button. And that's what we want. We don't want a quick tap on the button. We just want you to view the video like you might be doing right now. So what does this mean for creators like me and you? It absolutely means that we got to go hard and get to this bag. First off, do not get discouraged. That's what I want to say. Do not get discouraged. Keep going and get to the bag. I'm thirsty. If your likes seem low, who cares? It's about your views. We trying to get them views. We trying to get that watch time up. So that's what matters, okay? So don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged about, not getting the likes, not getting the thumbs up. You're not seeing the thumb up. You know what I'm saying? So you're getting a little discouraged. So don't worry about that. What you want to do is create content to captivate the people. Create the content that you're going to hook them. You want to hook them from start to finish. I'm talking to myself as well. While I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself. So we want to be able to hook these people in the content that we're creating, right? Yeah, sorry. Got lashes in my eyes, all types of stuff. So once again, I'm going to give you some tips to maximize your growth, because I'm growing right with you guys. So I feel like we should all do this together. Each one teach one. You feel what I'm saying? So, here's a few tips. My bad. Here's a few tips to help you maximize and enhance your watch time and your view time. So stay tuned. Tip number 1, hook your audience early. You see how these people look like they mesmerized? You want to get people mesmerized by you. Start your video with a strong hook that grabs attention in the first 5 seconds. Remember, if you lose them early, you lose the view, and you don't want to do that. Tip number 2, keep engaging. You see how this girl's just engaging? Okay. Use visuals, sounds effects, and storytelling to keep your audience interested. Okay, the longer they watch, the better. And that's what you want. You want them to watch you. Okay? Okay, now tip number 3. Encourage meaningful interaction. Instead of just asking for likes, okay, because you don't want to just ask for likes, encourage your viewers to comment, share, or even binge watch your other videos. That's what really drives the algorithm. It's the watch time. It's the interaction, the views. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's what you want. Don't just ask for likes, okay? Because you want them views. Keep them sitting there to view you, all of you. Okay, y'all, so the big picture in here, it's all about the views, okay? That's the big picture, okay? The big takeaway from it all, while likes can still feel like, it gives you some type of social proof or whatever, it feel good to you, but it's not necessary. They're not the end of all be all, meaning that they got to end, but they ain't got to end right there. You feel what I'm saying? So once again, it's all about the views. Focus on creating content that people want to watch and share. That's what will grow your channel in 2025 or 2026 or whenever you're ready to start. That is what's going to help you grow, staying consistent, as well as serving the people something to have some substance. You feel me? So at the end of the day, don't let that work you all up and thinking that you need the likes or whatever. No, you don't need the likes. You need the support. You need the views. You need the watch time, especially when it comes to YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be aware of whenever I drop a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know you realize, like, why she not talking. I got sick overnight and yeah, I don't feel too well, but I just made it my duty to make sure that I finish this video. Yeah, so definitely tune in. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week upon you.